If you are stuck under debt review and you have been paying your credit providers directly for quite some time, it is possible to get you out of debt review. You do not need to be stuck in debt review for the rest of your life. There's a process to follow though. The first step would be we pull your credit profile to make sure that we've covered all your credit accounts. The second step would be an affordability assessment to make sure that you are able to afford the normal installments. We need to prove to the court that you can actually afford the monthly installments. If the court approves, we can remove your debt review flag. You can exit debt review. If you have a court order under debt review, the only way to get out of debt review is by settling all your debt. That is the only way. But if you do not have a court order yet, it is possible to make an application to the court to have you declared as no longer over-indebted. So if you want us to check if you qualify, submit your detail on this webpage and we'll do a free assessment to see if you can qualify for a debt review removal.